Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and we can see more or less a slow market, a typical Monday market, because usually we do not get to see much action during the first half and market takes shows momentum during the US session only. So right after the market opening, dollar is showing a little bit of weakness, and as we already know, that dollar's condition is not very positive right now, both fundamentally and technically. DXY is under pressure and also heading towards the last support of 100.80. And mostly the market is waiting for the next CPI that is on 10th. So next CPI will be obviously a very crucial event for the Forex market. So we will have to see whether market or DXY is able to sustain above the crucial support of 100.80 or not. Or if it breaks 100.80, then as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that we do not have any immediate support. So let's wait and watch where market goes during the day. Just keep in mind that DXY is not very positive right now. In case DXY shows some upside also, the road will not be easy for DXY because the number of sellers are much higher in comparison to the number of buyers. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. Euro USD right now standing at 1.1043. My dear friend, if you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you. So as you can clearly see, that market is um, still in the no trading zone for us. On Saturday we discussed that right now market is stuck in the middle, in between two major levels. So if you take a buy position here, still your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. If you take a sell also, the risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. Or if you are a trader who prefers to trade on major levels only. So let's wait for the market to hit at least one level so that we can get a better trade. But if you are a day trader, if you know how to manage risk and if you have the risk appetite, then let me show you one trading opportunity. That is, right now you can see that market is standing at the previous high here, and that is also the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level. So if you want to take a sell position right now, then you can go ahead with your sell. But let me say one thing very clearly, that beginners, new traders, you should avoid taking trades in this type of levels because first of all, these levels are not very reliable. Okay, and secondly, your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor much because see, it is better to trade on major levels only. Okay, so yes, market is standing at a particular resistance on a lower time frame, but again I'm repeating, if you do not have the required experience, then you can avoid taking a sell position here. Personally, I will wait for the market to hit the next level of 1.1100. This is the next important level on the chart of Euro USD because Euro USD has been struggling to cross this level for the last couple of days. We have also seen on the weekly chart on Saturday that market is an indecision right now. If you look at the chart, then we can clearly see an ascending triangle pattern, and ascending triangle is a bullish pattern where we get to see a breakout. But on the weekly chart and on the daily chart, we get to see a tired market and also indecision on the weekly charts as well. So my dear friends, please be careful. Do not be too hopeful for a breakout right now because we have a CPI right after 2 days. So for the last couple of days, when we were hoping for a breakout, I was strictly suggesting you guys that you should avoid taking a sell position around this area. But right now, as market is showing weakness on higher time frames, so as a result, there is a high chance that market may show some reversal around this area. So 1.1100 to 1.1090 is a resistance zone for you where you can find some selling opportunity, good selling opportunity. Okay, so once market hits this level, Observe the market on 1 hour time frame or 50 minutes time frame for confirmation. If you see that market shows price rejection from above, market is showing shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, you get the confirmation that the weakness from the higher time frame is spot on and you can take a sell position. But due to any news, if DXY starts falling again, if the fall on DXY continues and DXY breaks 100.80, then obviously you will see Euro USD flying, and you can also take a buy position above 1.1100. So yes, we have one level of 1.1100, okay, so the situation will tell whether we should be looking for a buy position or a sell position. As it means that our observation around this area will be very important, and the strongest support zone on the chart of Euro USD is still the same, 1.0960 to 1.0945. We have already discussed in a previous video that in case due to some news, fiber starts falling, then we can definitely expect some good buyers to be present around this area. If market shows some support, you can definitely go for a buy position. So right now, market is in the middle of the chart. So as a result, it's better to avoid. Again, I'm repeating, if you're a beginner, new trader, try to avoid not only Euro USD, any position that is in the middle of the chart. Do not lose your patience. You should not chase the market. You should always wait for a market to come to you. But if you're a risk taker, if you have the risk appetite, have the experience, then you can consider taking a sell position, because on hourly time frame we can see a minor resistance and we also have the Fibonacci. So the decision is yours right now. Okay, but personally I am avoiding on levels like this because you can see that I have a long list of options. So as a result, I try to avoid taking positions on charts where I'm not very confident. Okay, for example, a couple of minutes ago I had a buy position on gold where my target was only 15 to 20 pips, because in this market, when market is not very volatile, okay, 15 to 20 minutes is good enough for me. Okay, but having a realistic expectation from the market is also extremely important. So flexibility is very important, my dear friends. So let's wait and watch. Anyways, enough knowledge. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow. Be careful, wait for the US session to get some volatility. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, capital protection should be your first priority always. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. So follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care. See, this is CPI I was talking about.